In this guide, we are going over how you can get the Vampire Fang here in Bizarre Lineage on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Vampire Fang is a legendary crafting material mainly used to craft the Luck and Pluck sword, which is one of the strongest weapons in the entire game. And the main way to get it and the main way to get the Vampire Fang is by opening up legendary chests. Now, because these chests are pretty rare, the best way to farm them is by actually just doing raids and getting high ranks. One of the best raids by far for farming the legendary chest is going to be the Jotora raid, but you can also craft these chests through the Gupta NPC as well, as long as you do have the required materials. To craft it, you do need materials like acid, bronze fragments, opal, sapphire, ruby, silver fragments, gold fragments, lost spirits, and cosmic radiation, so just keep that in mind. But once you open up, there is a chance that it's going to drop the Vampire Fang. And then, of course, to craft the Luck and Pluck sword, you're going to need 3 of these, along with several other materials. So just keep that in mind. It's going to be a little bit of a grind, but you got it after some time. Once you do get everything, you can craft the Luck and Pluck sword through the Gupta NPC in any of his spawns, because he spawns pretty much everywhere on the map near one of the major bus stops. But yeah, if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.